Why? Oh, YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Today, I'm knocking out some memorial shirts. I'm actually doing the backs and it's a little bit of a layering job, but I just want to take you guys along so you can see how I get something like this done. Now, I previously made the cutouts a couple of days ago, and I weeded them last night on live. If you've missed any of my lives or would like to catch any of my lives, they're all on my channel. Guys, I make videos like this all the time. But if you're ready, let's grit then. I already had knocked out one memorial shirt today. One order for memorial shirts. It was a set of 5. And I just used some extra opaque paper to get the job done. But for this next one, I am doing vinyl letters, HTV. And yeah, you can see the cavities. But guess what? These are all about to be red. So it'll be red over this, this, and this. And like I said, I'm doing 25 shirts. As you can see, I'm using gilding to get the job done. Even had to order some big boy shirts, 4X and a 5X remnants. And you know your boy has been working on that trailer outside, so excuse my creative mess. But you know how it goes. Vinyl being used is Econos. Econo V. Head on over to Econo Transfers. Use the links down in the description. Go ahead and support. Any little bit helps to make the channel grow and, you know, get me to that next level. As you guys know, I am about to move to Maslin, and I've been currently propositioning myself, getting ready for that. But first, I got the Made to Hustle event. So if you guys aren't registered and would like to register, head on over to madetohustle.live right now and register. You're going to see Stan Banks, Rich Coon, A-Dub building, I believe. Stalls is in the building. Caesar's in the building. Bellet Canvas. The list just keeps going and going and going and going. Do not miss out on this opportunity, which is in Fort Worth, Texas, June 25th through the 26th. Register now. I'm excited. I'm geeked because anytime I get a chance to meet up with my brother influencers or influencers that I look up to that has helped me gotten this far, it's enjoyment, y'all. It's a fulfillment factor. It's a network time. It's all of the above and hands-on training. Trust. So cutting out the red parts for the Harley Davidson, for the palm wrench, and for the Chevy logo. And then I gotta put Wallace on top of all of these, which I forgot. But I ain't gotta left enough room for clearance because your boy be prepared sometimes. And I got a little bit of weeding to do. So let's weed this out real quick. Yeah, your boy be weeding. That's Econo. Now doing the names. Like I mentioned, I forgot. So I'll do a couple sheets of the Wallace. Weed that out. Then I will show you guys how I'm going to press. Always start at the corners, and I just work my way. Sometimes I go in like a back and forth motion, try to weed out the cavities. So I have to go back and actually weed out extra parts. So I will weed out the cavities, and then I'm going to show you guys how to layer all on one sheet and press it one time. Yeah. So I had started doing these, and these ones don't have the layering method on it. And then I had sent him a picture over, and he was like, is it possible to get Wallace over right in Paradise? And I was like, sure it is. But I had already pressed about a good 8 shirts or 6 shirts. So those ones I'm gonna have to do like this, where I put the wallet. So you really don't want the wallets this close to the neck because it's into the neck collar, but it's the only way to get wallets on there. And then I cover each of the white with the red logos, but I'm gonna show you a different way that you can get this done. Take your regular one that you have like this, and you're going to actually put the red on here on the back on the tacky side, which is not reading in reverse, it's reading the right way because this is the sticky side. So I'm going to actually put red there, there, and there, and just cut it down to size. Show you guys what I'm talking about real quick. And we're actually going to attach wallets as well, so it could be just one press, saving time and energy. It will take extra time to cut these out just so they can fit, because you don't want the extra carrier sheet clipping off anything on the vinyl, especially when you're layering before the press. What I mean by that is, see how I got this? So this is the back, and I just simply put the red wrench over the white. But I'm making sure that the extra carrier is not on here or on here, because that will clip and it will affect the outcome. And I'm going to do that with this, and then I'm going to put the wallets over top of it, and then put it back on the platen and show you guys right before I press. This can save time, trust me. And it helps to line it up when there's already one there. So basically the vinyl that's up underneath is going to stick to this carrier sheet on the reverse side, and the image will be left red, like how it's red on there. Yeah. All right, we have our layers. We got the wallets on there. Everything is how I wanted it to be, and you'll see white up top. But when I peel this back, you'll see the layer gang. And I'm just going to press for the next 13 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yes, sir. It's a little bit hot too, so just be mindful. I'm going to start peeling this back. Let's set you guys up right, so. And of course you still see the white on here, but as I peel back, bam, white's gone. White's gone, and white's gone. That layering tip, that layering, it really works. Like, when I say it saves you on time, it saves you on time. But yeah. So now that you know what I'm doing, what I'm getting into, let's wrap up this video. Yo, that was a quick how to layer vinyl on top of vinyl when you want to just knock out a certain job. Yes, I've seen other people do it, but I haven't seen them explain it thoroughly. Maybe we'll get into a whole bunch of different layers at one time, just so you guys can get some type of visual on how it's done on a broader scale. As always, y'all, break the sky with your creativity. Don't let nobody get in the way of what is yours, what's destined for you. Only you can stop you. And with that being said, y'all, if you're going to the Made to Hustle event, I will see you there. If not, make sure y'all do tap into the Squad Creative Podcast, now airing on TSH Network. aka T-Shirt Side Hustles channel. And to catch some replays, head on over to Squad Creative Podcast channel, subscribe, and get these gems, man. But until the next one, y'all,